Lone Star Human Services. Partners with Darciea Houston, also known as Major Melanin. All right, we got the buckets. We're about to go plant. Whoop, whoop.
Soil or plant.
Can you softly touch it and then smell your hands? Softly touch it and smell your hands. It has a scent to it, right?
It smells so good. I think it's lavender.
No, you're very close. It's thyme. This on yellow.
Orange.
What color are carrots?
Orange.
Orange. What if I tell you we're gonna plant purple carrots?
No.
We're gonna plant yellow carrots.
No.
We're gonna plant
Red.
orange carrots.
Yeah.
We're gonna plant them all. But yep, orange carrots. Look at little man. He is so involved. Oil is so important for your health. Yes, play in the dirt. It's called grounding. All right. Yes, you are.
I get some.
All right, so what I'm supposed to do? Finish watering your dirt, man. They coming back.
Want another one? You want some more seeds?
I'm doing it like chips.
Oh, wow. Good job. Let me give him some chives. Oh, you going to give him some? Awesome. Look at that. Sharing is caring. This location loves to pour into the younger crowd. The older students definitely make sure that the younger students are involved. Ooh, little gardener. How you doing, young lady? Welcome, y'all. Y'all want to plant? Awesome. Come.
Right there. Because she ain't got them no seeds.
Just try to make sure you break it and don't hurt, don't
Look,
pull
like
the plant.
This noodle, look, basically like this.
Yes. That's perfect.
And then let it.
Yes. Good job. So y'all gonna eat good today because them collars is great.
Oh, I broke it from top and bottom.
That's good. I'm so proud of you. I got another job.
Look, these kids, man.
It's cute. Welcome. Thank you for coming. Come on in. Harvest. Where to harvest? Go ahead. Whoop, whoop. Good job. Collard greens.
I just got it. Leave me alone.
Shovel, shovel. Ooh, good job. Look at you. Ah. All right, good job, y'all. Cleaning off y'all collard greens. Do you think Mom is gonna want some basil? The stuff that they are so adorable. Bye. See you later. Bye-bye. Thank you.
He be around a lot of elders.
Thank you so much for your help. Whoop, whoop. Just don't hit no vehicles. I don't got no insurance on that thing.
Got it?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I appreciate you. I'll see you next Friday. Say bye, Allie.
Bye, Allie.
Until next time. See you soon.